What's up everyone, Jason at Canyon Adventure Vans, and today we're going to do a install on the Storyteller sink cover. So standard is glass. A lot of people break it, drop things come flying out of the microwave. Anyways, we offer this beautiful piece of dark chocolate bamboo, and it's custom to fit this particular sink in the Storyteller. And so today we're going to get started on that. So basically you have this tape here, and there's some instructions, but also if you go to the product page of this YouTube install will be in there as well. So first thing you do is you just come in here. This is the biggest thing that everybody has a hard time with because we're so used to lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. This is the opposite. To take this off, we want to tighten it. We want to go towards the right, and that's how you're going to loosen it, okay? So if you go to the right, this thing will come out. Also, it's very important that you get a standard screwdriver that is a little thicker than normal and a little wider as well. Otherwise, if you put a small little standard screwdriver in there, you're probably going to strip it and really struggle. You saw how easy this was. So basically, I am going to continue, and then what happens is this thing pops out. So basically, it's flat on the top, and I'll show you here. This part sits right down into there like that, and then it slides over this mechanism, which I'll show you, and then it screws back on, okay? So, once you get that, you're gonna take your mirror off, just like so, or you take your glass off. And then here's the piece right here. So this piece slides right into, if you could see this, it's got this little raised part right here that slides right into your hole. So what we're gonna do is, and I'm not gonna peel the tape because I'm gonna continue to take this off, but you would peel the tape, clean all this off, right? Peel the tape, and then just push this right here. You can let it sit right on this edge, so that makes it really easy. Okay, and then I'm going to come over here, and then I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to put it down through the top. Should have done that first, but no big deal. Put this here like so. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'll take one hand, and also when it's taped, that's going to hold it for you. So I'll come over here, just like that. I'm holding the back, and I'm going to get in here, and then I'm going to go to the left. I'm going to get this thing started. Just like that. And I'm going to the left. So there's plenty, see all those threads? There's plenty because of that indentation. I'm getting a really nice bite in there with the threads, and then I just go ahead and tighten it, and that's it. All you do is push this piece in, tape it, hold it, and then you're going to go to the left. You're going this way, counterclockwise, to tighten it. And then you just give that a nice tighten, and that'll go ahead and tighten along with the tape as well, and that'll be really secure. So it's very simple. I'm going to take it off again, and I'm going to go to the right to loosen it. And it's just like that. And all I'm doing is coming in here, dropping this down, and it goes right back into this area, just like that. And that's how it works. So it's pretty darn simple. Let's do it again. Again, having that tape on there is going to hold it for you. Get this, turn it to the left, plenty of threads, tighten it down, and that's it. Very simple, and that's how you install the bamboo sink on the Storyteller Overland mode.